Welcome to ABFM's new website. Let's take a look at some of the new and improved features. We've improved our navigation functionality to get you where you need to go with fewer clicks. ABFM specific information is located at the top of each page. To access your physician portfolio, click on the bright yellow button located at the top of any page. Your username and password have remained the same. You can review details about the certification process by selecting one of the 4 main content areas on the home page. And from here, select a topic area to learn more about the certification process. Now you can read details about your selection. You can navigate to a different topic area using the navigation panel on the right. Or simply scroll to the top of the page and move into a new section of our website. There are 3 ways for you to return to the home page. Click on the ABFM logo located in the top banner, the home link located here, or use the Return Home button located at the bottom of each page. We have designed our search feature to be easy for you to find what you are looking for. Search results are displayed in an easy-to-read list. Our new website is now mobile-friendly. You can now use a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone to access our new website. In addition to providing helpful information to family physicians, others who use our website include patients and credentialers. Go here to learn why selecting a board-certified family physician is important for your care, or here if you are a credentialer who would like to verify a physician's certification status. And if you are looking for a board-certified family physician in your area, our Find a Physician tool allows you to search for a board-certified family physician. Simply select a certification type, enter your search criteria, and go. It's that easy. Now more than ever, we are seeking helpful input from diplomats, residents, and patients to help us continuously improve our certification process. If you would like to volunteer for one of the many opportunities, simply select the Get Involved with the ABFM link located in the About section, and complete the brief volunteer registration. Our new website now highlights important news features here and exciting initiatives here in our Spotlight program section. These will change as new initiatives are announced, so please check back often. We hope that you find the new website clear, informative, and easy to use.